Today, I'm going to be teaching you all about word choice. We're going to be editing our writing, making sure that we use traits of good writing. One of those traits is word choice. So we want to make sure we're choosing the right words. Listen to how the words sound and ask yourself, do they make sense to the writing? Use words that help the reader see what is written. Write with descriptive words. And you want to choose words that sound natural to the piece that you're writing. So to learn about word choice, we are going to read 8 Days Gone by Linda McReynolds and illustrated by Ryan O'Rourke. Listen to the great word choice that this author chooses to use. So listen to the words in this book, 8 Days Gone. Ooh, I see.
My mom finally said that.
Oh, okay, good. Come on in and have a seat. I'm doing it as a video like I used to, but you guys can watch it. It's a new book. I haven't read to you before.
Wait,
So-
Mrs. Pocket, I saw your kids spraying.
They did that today.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
them.
Listen to the word choice in this book, 8 Days Gone by Linda McReynolds. I can see that this book is going to be about what? Space. Ooh, look at all of that.
Are the zombies coming to get the kids?
Hundreds gather hot July.
Are they?
Spaceships ready, set to fly. Oh, look at all the people. They're all waiting for the rocket ship.
rhyming words.
A lot of rhyming words, you're right.
8 days, 8 days are gone. Oh,
8 days are
away
gone.
the day.
Yes. Okay, so in July, the spaceship is ready and everyone's ready to watch it do what?
Wow.
Flies. Do you hear the words that she uses? They gather. Launch pad, countdown, smoke and flame, rumbling, blasting, seizing, fame. Do you hear the words that they're choosing in this? Rumbling, blasting, seizing, fame, like they want to be famous. Rocket orbits, engines fire, toward the moon, soaring higher. Shrinking planet, streaming fast. Starry darkness, sprawling, vast. All of those words that she's using, she has very deep vocabulary. Vast, yeah, and shrinking planet. Is it actually shrinking? It just looks like it's shrinking because
It's going away.
exactly, because the astronauts are going farther and farther away from the Earth. So now the Earth looks like it's getting smaller in the vast space. Fasten helmets, gloves and boots, backpacks, air tanks, bulky suits. So instead of just saying big suits, what word did she choose? Bulky.
I don't even know those words.
I know, so a lot of word choice in this book are words that we may not have known before, and we can add those to our stories to make them even more detailed and descriptive. Spacecraft ready, systems check, lunar module disconnects. Michael Collins stays with ship, waits observing, tracking trip. Instead of observing, she could have just said looking. Which word do you think sounds like a better word choice?
Observing.
Observing.
What does that mean?
Like looking, but he's actually looking intently. He's trying to look and see, what can I learn? Nation watching, bated breath. Eagle landing, life or death. Armstrong makes his one small step. Giant leap from years of prep. So do you know who this is that we're reading about? Neil Armstrong, the first man on the moon. So this is a nonfiction text. It's a real story. It's just in a poetic form with great word choice. Giant leap instead of big leap. Do you hear the words that they're choosing?
I would use giant no matter what.
Edwin Aldrin hops around. Boot prints left on ashen ground. Desolation, silent, dark, tranquil sea, barren, stark. It's so quiet because there's nobody else on the moon, right? Haul equipment, careful test, exploration, lunar quest. So hauling equipment instead of carrying equipment. Do you hear that word they chose? Careful test, exploration, lunar quest, which means like a quest, like a special trip to the moon, lunar quest, where they're actually trying to learn about the moon. Snapping pictures, planting flag, soil samples, rocks in bag. Eagle docking, mission ends. Journey home to family, friends. So instead of just they're going home, they said they're taking a journey home.
Were you spraying water?
Swiftly speeding, earth ahead. Ship arriving, news is spread.
What if you fall off the moon?
Please listen. Ocean splashdown, heroes seen, helicopter quarantine. So this is what they had to do. Allie. Brave explorers, safe return. Data gathered, much to learn. So they gathered all of their information, and now they're going to learn about the moon. Lunar mission reached new heights, paved the way for future flights. Isn't that great? So that's a nonfiction text, just like we're writing about nonfiction, a biography. But now I want you to go back into your story, and you're going to go back to your text, to your biography, and you're going to pick 5 words where you can use more descriptive words than the ones that you had originally chosen. Have fun.